Okay, in this video I want to go over a couple of more things here and we'll be done. I want to go over the formatting options, very simple, and a couple of little details. But I wanted to show you back to this page, and I just want to kind of show you what the the formatting options do. Now, see this border around here? You see how it's kind of doesn't quite fit this area correctly? It's real easy to fix that. All blogs are different, all layouts are different, so we have these formatting options here. And I simply want to change the width to, I think, around 600, update the settings, and reload the page. And let's see how that looks. Okay, you see what that did? That brought the border in and it made this description more readable. It doesn't scroll off the page. So I shortened the width of the box and made it look really nice. Now, this does have a border around it, and I can also do something else like change the color. If I don't want a border, I could just change that border to white and update the settings and then reload this, and then it doesn't look like an ad section anymore. It looks like it's just part of the page. So you can do that too if you like. You see the border's gone just because I made it white. The border's there initially so that you're able to tell, where it begins and ends, the width of the box. So I like to leave it on at first so I can see the width of the box and make sure I'm not scrolling off the page. But then when I want to take it completely off to make it look like part of the page, then I just make my border white or whatever color the background is of your blog post. So now it just looks like it's completely looks like it's part of the blog and it's nothing. The user doesn't suspect anything going on there. So that's really neat way of doing that. There's some other, obviously you can do some other things if you like. Really, that's only a couple things that I do. If I have other primary and secondary offer content that I want to change, the pixels, all these things can be changed. You can play around with it and just take it how you like it. I just like the default settings, and then I always usually have to change the width, and then I like to take off the border and put a white in there. One other thing that I wanted to mention here that may or may not be obvious to a lot of people is in your primary offer here on the search product enabled, you have some options here. Enabled, obviously, you can turn it off or on. A product type title match filter. What that does is if you set this to yes, it's going to be very, very specific on the keyword matching the title of the product. Basically, you'll get fewer results using the product match filter. It depends on how you want. Extra variety, that means you're going to get extra variety of these affiliate products down here. One is the priority order. So I have Amazon in this blog set to 1, so it's my priority, and I don't have any of the others filled in. So I just want the Amazon products, but I can change that up, and I can throw in extra variety, so it gives me more of these products down here as well. I can change the number of listings from 1 to 6. I just like to leave it 6 because it gives them more options. And what we have here is the failsafe keyword. What that means is if someone comes to your blog and the keyword is so obscure that it doesn't match any products at all, it will default back to this keyword. And in my case, it's mini RC helicopters because that's what my blog is about. And I assume if they're coming to my site looking for something about RC helicopters, then at least I'm going to show them some helicopters. I'm not going to show them something that's completely strange that they won't find at all. Show prices, you can turn that off or on. I like to say no because some people click on links just to figure out the price, and once they click on your link, then they're cookied. And the point of these blogs is to get your traffic, get them to click on an affiliate link, get them cookied, and make a commission. Show images, of course, you always want to do that. Descriptions, yes, you do if they have them. Cloaking the product links, I like to do that so that if it just makes it harder for people to track the links as to what they are on your page. Enable no follow. I say yes. I really don't want any robots crawling my affiliate links. Okay, and I want to go over this Amazon, eBay, Commission Junction, Overstock, and Linkshare are real easy to find the tokens. This one I think is a little bit harder to find your access key and your secret access key. Once you have your affiliate ID, you sign up for your affiliate ID at affiliate-program.amazon.com. You can go to Google and type in Amazon affiliate program, and you'll get to this site. Then you need to join that up, join in there, and then the next thing you need to do, you need to go to get these keys right here. And the way you do that is you go to let me go back. I don't want to go there. I want to go to aws.amazon.com. aws.amazon.com. You can get here by clicking on that. So I want to go ahead and log in. And then I'll show you where to get these keys. It's real simple. Once you sign up for, you have to sign up for this AWS part. So let me sign in. And once you get in here, this looks, you know, probably some things you've never seen before. Um, but at any rate, it's what we need to do to get to our keys. Okay, I think it's under security credentials. They've changed this up since the last time I looked at it. Yeah, right there it is. Okay, so you go to security credentials and then you have your keys right here. Okay, here's your access key ID, and then here's your secret access key. Okay, and you click on show and it pops up. Okay, I'm not going to make mine stay there very long, but that's it. You get your access key and your secret access key, and then you come over here and you put them in right here. And then what this does is it allows us to pull data deep within Amazon. Okay, deep within Amazon. You need to get these two keys and keep them handy. A lot of my products that use Amazon, you'll need these two keys right here. eBay is pretty self-explanatory. You're just going to put in your campaign ID and an application ID. If you have an eBay partner network, it's pretty simple to find those. Commission Junction, you have a web services token that you need, and then a website ID. Both of those are real easy to find. Overstock is the same thing. It's through Commission Junction. Basically, you can get to Overstock through Commission Junction, so you can sign up by clicking on these links. You can sign up for those for those affiliate programs. Link share token is pretty easy too. It's under web services. Pretty easy to find in link share too. If not, you can just it's in their help section. I don't want to go over that right now because it's pretty self-explanatory on how to do that. Um, okay, well, really, that's about all I have for ctrmax, and I hope you enjoy it. If you have any help, if you need any help, just click on the support desk link in the members area.